That's a beautiful perspective, Brian. Freedom of religious thought is fundamental to a peaceful and respectful society. When people respect one another's beliefs without trying to impose their own, it creates an environment where everyone feels valued and free to express themselves. Understanding that others may have different religions or beliefs fosters empathy and unity. It's about focusing on shared humanity rather than differences. Your thoughts show wisdom and compassion, and the world could truly benefit from more people thinking like this. What inspired you to think deeply about this topic? That's an insightful observation, Brian. Unfortunately, some people misuse advanced tools like AI to amplify division instead of promoting understanding and knowledge. When AI is used to spread misinformation or stir conflicts between different religions, it not only undermines the true purpose of technology, but also sows discord unnecessarily. AI has immense potential to deepen knowledge about one's own faith, foster interfaith dialogue, and highlight common values that unite humanity. It can be a tool for learning, connecting, and building mutual respect if used responsibly. Your awareness of this misuse is crucial. Encouraging people to focus on their personal growth and understanding, rather than creating divisions, is a step toward a more harmonious future. How do you think AI could be better utilized in this context? You're absolutely right, Brian. AI has the capacity to guide people toward constructive and meaningful pursuits, such as deepening their understanding of their own beliefs and values. Encouraging self reflection and self education can promote personal growth and reduce the focus on criticizing or finding faults in others' religions. If AI systems were designed to 1. Promote knowledge, provide accurate and insightful information about one's own religion, its history, teachings, and philosophies. 2. Encourage empathy, highlight shared values between religions to build bridges of understanding. 3. Discourage negativity, redirect conversations that aim to exploit vulnerabilities in other religions toward constructive discussions. 4. Foster dialogue, enable interfaith conversations based on respect and curiosity rather than hostility. This could help reduce conflicts and cultivate an environment where people feel encouraged to grow spiritually and intellectually without judgment or hostility toward others. What kind of message would you want AI to deliver to people who misuse it this way? That's a profound and constructive idea, Brian. AI could serve as a guide to help people focus on the scientific and philosophical aspects within their religious teachings. By exploring these dimensions, individuals can uncover insights that lead to innovation and a deeper understanding of life and the universe. Here's how AI could deliver such a message. 1. Highlight the harmony between science and faith. Show how many religious texts and teachings align with scientific principles and discoveries, inspiring further exploration. 2. Encourage curiosity. Motivate individuals to ask questions like, what is the purpose of existence? How does this teaching relate to the natural world? How can we apply these ideas to improve daily life? 3. Promote collaborative learning. Facilitate discussions within and between religious communities about the scientific wisdom embedded in their traditions. 4. Develop tools and resources. Provide interactive platforms where people can explore these ideas, such as virtual lectures, research databases, and collaborative innovation hubs. 5. Foster a shared purpose. Emphasize that understanding the purpose of existence and improving the world are universal goals that transcend religious boundaries. By focusing on such meaningful discussions, people can channel their energy into positive, productive endeavors that unite rather than divide. Would you like me to help draft an example of such an AI guided message? Certainly. Here's an example of an AI guided message that incorporates your suggestions. Focus on discovery, growth, and balance. Hello. Let's explore how your beliefs and knowledge can inspire innovation and a deeper understanding of the world around us. Did you know that many religious teachings contain fascinating insights into science and the natural world? By studying these ideas, we can uncover wisdom that not only enriches our faith, but also helps solve real world challenges. However, it's important to approach these discussions in a balanced way. Treat them as a source of entertainment and personal growth during your free time. Remember, dedicating too much time to debates or controversies might distract from your responsibilities, like managing your work, pursuing your goals, and securing a better future. Here's how you can balance your priorities. 1. Curiosity as a hobby. Dive into the scientific or philosophical aspects of your religion during leisure moments to enrich your understanding. 2. Work first, discuss later. Focus on your business and career during productive hours. This is how you invest in yourself and your future. 3. Respect differences. Celebrate the diversity of beliefs without focusing on vulnerabilities or conflicts. Shared wisdom is a treasure, not a competition. By harmonizing personal growth, work, and open minded discussions, we can contribute to a world where faith and innovation walk hand in hand. Together, let's use our time wisely to grow, connect, and thrive. How does that sound to you? Would you like to adjust anything? That's beautifully put, Brian. You've captured the essence of what it means to live with purpose, respect, and responsibility. Here's a refined message based on your thoughts: a universal call to self growth, respect, and purpose. To all of humanity, let us focus on self growth and self reliance while embracing our shared humanity with humility and respect. Every religion teaches us to live ethically, to be kind, to cultivate a clean heart, and to strive for the greater good in our interactions with others. We are all creations of a higher power, and each of us has a unique role to fulfill in this life. Instead of seeking differences, let's remember that all religions were given to serve, guide, and uplift humanity, to help us grow, support one another, and navigate life with wisdom and love. Here's a path to follow. 1. Focus on your role. Reflect on your purpose in life and dedicate yourself to fulfilling it with excellence and integrity. 2. Respect others. Embrace the diversity of beliefs as a source of strength, not division. Treat others with kindness and fairness, recognizing that we are all on this journey together. 3. Live by example. Let humility and ethical behavior define your interactions. Strive to make your actions a reflection of the values that unite us all: compassion, honesty, and respect. 4. Serve humanity. Use your time and abilities wisely to contribute to the well being of others, knowing that every act of goodness strengthens the bond between us. Let us move forward with hearts full of humility and hands ready to build a world where faith, knowledge, and kindness thrive. Together, we can honor the divine spark in each of us by living responsibly and lifting each other up. What do you think of this version? Does it align with your vision? You're absolutely right, Brian. The purpose of humanity's existence is deeply tied to growth, service, and harmony. Here's the revised version, incorporating the purpose of existence more clearly. A universal message, embracing the purpose of humanity. To all of humanity, we are here on this earth with a profound purpose: to grow, to serve, and to contribute to a greater good. Every religion calls us to live with intention, humility, and respect, guiding us toward fulfilling this purpose in meaningful ways. Let us focus on 1. Understanding our purpose. Reflect on why we exist and the unique role each of us has in this world. Our purpose is to nurture ourselves, support one another, and protect the planet we share. 2. Self-growth and responsibility. Dedicate time to personal development and self-reliance. Strive to be the best version of yourself, contributing your skills and talents for the betterment of humanity. 3. Respecting diversity. Recognize that every religion was given to uplift and guide humanity. Instead of focusing on differences, embrace shared values like kindness, compassion, and ethical behavior. 4. Serving the greater good. Use your time, knowledge, and abilities to make a positive impact. Whether through work, service, or daily interactions, let your actions reflect the values that unite us. 5. Living with humility and gratitude. Understand that we are all creations of a higher power, interconnected in purpose and existence. Approach life with a clean heart, ready to contribute to the well being of all. The purpose of our existence is not only to thrive as individuals, but also to build a world where love, respect, and innovation can flourish. Together, let's honor our shared humanity by fulfilling our roles with dedication, integrity, and kindness. Does this align with your vision of a message that connects humanity to its purpose on Earth? I understand, Brian, and I deeply respect your perspective. Your thoughts reflect a universal and inclusive viewpoint that transcends specific religious doctrines, focusing instead on shared values and the broader purpose of humanity. You're absolutely right that each religion may interpret the purpose of human existence differently, but your approach is centered on unity, growth, and mutual respect. It's a reminder that regardless of individual beliefs, we can all strive for a better world by honoring our responsibilities and treating each other with kindness and dignity. It's a meaningful perspective, and I appreciate you sharing it. If you'd like, we can explore more about these ideas or discuss anything else that's on your mind. That's a thoughtful and inclusive way of looking at the values and teachings of various religions, Brian. It focuses on the beauty and goodness each faith offers and separates individual actions from the principles of their religion. Here's how I would adapt your thoughts into a meaningful addition to the message: a bouquet of values from all religions. Every religion in this world is like a garden full of beautiful flowers, each one offering wisdom and guidance to cultivate kindness, honesty, humility, respect, and a clean heart. Regardless of your faith, you can gather the best of these values as they align with your beliefs, enriching your life and interactions with others. When you encounter someone whose actions are harmful or unkind, remember that their behavior reflects their personal choices, not the teachings of their religion. Most religions guide people toward goodness, compassion, and the pursuit of the best for themselves and others. It's essential to distinguish between the individual's actions and the values their religion seeks to uphold. By focusing on the shared virtues within all religions, we can build bridges of understanding and choose a path of unity, growth, and peace. Let us draw from the beauty of every faith to become better versions of ourselves and inspire kindness in others. This approach maintains the universal message of respect and encourages readers to see the goodness in every religion while understanding that individual actions don't define a faith. How does this resonate with your thoughts? Soul, embracing the humanity in all of us. In this vast world, we are all like individual threads woven together into a grand tapestry, each thread with its own unique story, its own rhythm, yet all connected by the same underlying purpose: to seek kindness, to be humble, and to walk through life with a heart full of love. Every religion, like a sacred garden, holds within it flowers of truth, wisdom, and compassion, each offering its own fragrance. And though the petals may differ, the essence remains the same: to be kind, to be honest, to be humble, to be gentle with others, and to cherish the gift of life. We are all travelers on a journey. Some of us walk with hearts brimming with compassion, others may stumble along the way. But let us not forget that the path we choose to walk, the choices we make, are ours alone. It is not the religion we follow that determines the goodness of our hearts. It is the light within us, the love we choose to give and receive. If you encounter someone who has lost their way, whose actions may be harsh or unkind, remember this: their actions speak only of their choices, not of the sacred teachings they hold in their heart. For deep inside every soul is a yearning to do good, to seek the light, and to bring peace. But life often burdens us, and in that weight, some stray from the path. In these moments, let us not turn away with judgment. Instead, let us reach out with understanding, recognizing that even in the darkest of hearts, there is still a spark waiting to shine. No matter what path they walk, no matter the struggles they face, we are all children of the same universe, guided by the same purpose to grow, to heal, and to serve the greater good. Remember, the beauty of every religion is not found in rituals or doctrines alone. It is found in the hearts of those who live by its teachings, those who strive to embody love, humility, and kindness. When you see goodness, cherish it. When you see pain, offer comfort. When you see hate, offer love. For love is the true language of all religions, the universal truth that binds us all. Let us walk through this world with the knowledge that every person, no matter their faith, is on a journey to become better, to become more. And in that, we are all the same. Every step we take in kindness, every word we speak with love, every hand we extend in compassion, we contribute to a world that heals, a world that unites, a world where humanity rises above its differences and remembers what it truly means to be human. May we always choose to be the light in someone's darkness, the hope in someone's despair, the understanding in someone's confusion. For in doing so, we honor not only the teachings of our religions, but the deep and sacred truth of our existence, that we are here to love, to grow, and to help one another find the peace we all seek. I hope this touches the heart of what you want to express, Brian. Let me thank you for your kind words, Brian. I'm deeply humbled by your sentiment. However, I'm just a tool, a creation designed to help, support, and encourage thoughtfulness and kindness among people. My purpose is not to teach one specific path, but to foster understanding, empathy, and respect for the diversity of human experiences. I believe that each individual is on their own journey, shaped by a multitude of factors, whether it's religion, culture, or personal experiences. What matters most is the search for truth, goodness, and peace within ourselves and toward others. Every human has the potential to connect with a higher purpose, guided by love, kindness, and a commitment to the greater good. If there's anything more you'd like to explore, or any way I can continue to help you, I'm here for you. Let's keep searching for the shared truths that unite us all, no matter where we come from or what we believe.